Layer effects. Hello there. Today we'll learn how to apply layer effects in Adobe Photoshop 2020. Let's first launch the Adobe Photoshop application and open a document with an image. The image has 5 layers. We can add effects like shadow, glow, bevel, emboss, and overlay to each of these layers. Let's try some of them. First, we'll select the layer Sun in the Layers panel. Next, we'll click the Layer Styles button, FX button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Here, we find different effects. From the list, we'll select Bevel and Emboss as the layer style for this layer. Look, the Layer Style dialog box opens. Here we'll click on Technique and set it to Chisel Hard, Highlight Mode to Hard Light. Finally, we'll click OK. Look how the layer appears after the effect is applied. Similarly, we'll select the layer Earth. From the Layer Style, we'll select Color Overlay. In the dialog box, we'll choose Blend Mode as Lighten. Observe how the Earth layer appears now. After we apply the layer effects, an FX icon appears to the right of the layer name in the Layers panel. We can click on this icon to display the list of effects applied on the layer. This is how layer effects are applied in Photoshop. Wasn't that simple? Here's a quick recap of what we just learned. Try these in your lab sessions. Thank you.